welcome to our EuroKids Puri online classroom. I am your Shilpi Miss. So children, let's start our today's activity. And today we are going to learn number name 31. So children, let us look the number name 3, 1, 31. THIRTY 30 ONE 1. Once again we will read this 3, 1, 31. THIRTY 30 ONE 1. 31. So children, you have to learn the number name 31 with its spelling, and what you have to do, you have to make the writing practice of number name 31. So children, now we will move towards our next activity, and in our next activity we are going to review CL words. So children, let us look the CL word. So children, our first CL word is clap. C-L-A-P. Clap. C-L-A-P. Clap. The boy is clapping when we feel happy or when we want to make someone happy, we clap. So children, now we will look our next CL word, and our next CL word is C-L-A-W. Claw. C-L-A-W. Claw. This is the claw of eagle. And children, now we will look our next CL word, and our next CL word is clay. C-L-A-Y. Clay. Clay is used to make pots. So children, now we will look our next CL word, and our next CL word is clip. C-L-I-P. Clip. C-L-I-P. Clip. C-L-I-P. Clip. So children, now we will look our next CL word, and it is your club. C-L-U-B. Club. We will repeat it once again. C-L-U-B. Club. So children, you have to learn all the CL words with their spelling, and you have to make the writing practice of the CL words. So children, now we will move towards our next activity, rotation and revolution. So children, the planet Earth cannot move around freely like us or the other animals and birds. It can only move on an imaginary path around the sun known as the orbit. So children, the Earth moves only on its orbit, and children, Earth moves around the sun in a particular line. It cannot go above that line and neither below that line. So children, Earth has to move in a particular line around the sun, and when the Earth is going around the sun, it is called revolution. So children, look here in this picture. This is the sun, and Earth is moving like this round the sun. So when the Earth moves around the sun like this, the one complete round is called as revolution. So children, now I am going to tell you, it takes 1 year or 365 days for the Earth to complete one revolution around the Earth. But children, that's not only the movement that the Earth does. It also revolves around the sun, and children, it also rotates around its axis. So children, Earth also spins around itself, and this movement is called rotation. So children, one revolution One is revolution which takes place around the sun and other is rotation that takes place around its own place. So children, now I am going to explain you what is rotation and what is revolution. So children, look here. This is a yellow color ball and yellow color ball is your sun. So this yellow color ball is our sun. So we will keep our sun here because sun is yellow in color. So this yellow color ball is our sun. And what I am explaining to you? I am explaining to you rotation and revolution. So children, this is our planet Earth. It is blue and green in color. This is our planet Earth. So children, our Earth is here at this place. So children, when the Earth moves round on its axis like this. Look children, how the Earth is moving. The Earth is not changing its position. It is moving on its axis. This movement of Earth is called as rotation. Now Earth is rotating around its axis. This movement is called as rotation. And children, when Earth moves around the sun, this is called revolution. So children, when Earth rotates, the one rotation takes 24 hours. One rotation takes 24 hours. And children, Earth takes 365 days. Earth is starting one revolution from this place. So Earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution to come on its that place. Okay children? So this movement is the rotation, means rotating on its own axis, and this is revolution, moving around the sun. So children, now we have learned about the movement, rotation and revolution. So children, you have to learn the rotation and revolution. And now children, we will move towards our next activity. तो बच्चों, अब हम हिंदी पढ़ेंगे. तो मैंने अपनी निकाल ली है हिंदी की किताब आओ मात्रा मिलाएं. सभी बच्चे अपनी हिंदी की किताब आओ मात्रा मिलाएं निकालेंगे और हम खोलेंगे इसकी पृष्ठ संख्या 13 को. तो बच्चों, मैंने पृष्ठ संख्या 13 खोल ली है और इस पृष्ठ पर हमें क्या करना है? चित्रों को उनके नाम से जोड़ो. तो बच्चों, यहाँ पर कई सारे शब्द दिए गए हैं और इन चित्रों को हमें उनके सही नाम से जोड़ना है. तो बच्चों, पहला नाम है नारियल. तो बच्चों, नारियल कहाँ है? यह है नारियल. तो हम जोड़ेंगे नारियल. किरण. तो बच्चों, किरण कहाँ है? यह है किरण. फिर है बच्चों दूसरा, हमारा तीसरा शब्द है बारिश. तो यहाँ पर है बारिश की चित्र. फिर है विमला. तो बच्चों, विमला एक लड़की का नाम है. तो यहाँ पर है लड़की विमला. और हमारा पांचवा शब्द है मिठाई. तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारी मिठाइयाँ रखी हुई है. तो हम मिलाएंगे मिठाई. और बच्चों, फिर हमारा आखिरी शब्द है चिड़िया. तो यह है चिड़िया. हम मिला देंगे चिड़िया को चिड़िया के चित्र से. तो बच्चों, इस तरीके से आपको सही शब्दों को उनके चित्रों से मिलाना होगा. तो बच्चों, ऐसा करने के बाद आप इन शब्दों को पढ़ेंगे और दोहराएंगे. तो बच्चों, इसके साथ हम मिलेंगे आपकी अगली कक्षा में. बाय बाय बच्चों.